Yo, good morning. Good morning, it's September 23rd, 2025, and let me tell you how the day went down. So first off, I was up late last night watching a video about the debt crisis and interest rates, how everybody else is buying gold except the US, and how the US plans to roll out stablecoins in January 2027 to try and deflate their own $37 trillion debt. Like, what the hell is going on? Most people aren't even thinking about this. But anyway, that's off topic. Let's get to the trade. I slept late, real life stuff. Woke up around 6:15, ate a little, had some water, fed my daughter, put her back to sleep. Then I knocked out again. Next thing you know, my alarm didn't even ring. I magically woke up at 8:30, jumped out of bed like, oh damn, the market's open. That was kind of funny, but that's when you know it's a real hustle. When the market's calling, there's no stopping. Now before I made a move, I checked the market events. 7:30 a.m., US current account came in at $251 billion, way better than the forecast $406 billion. That's bullish news. At 9 a.m., existing home sales were forecasted at 4.04 million, just above last month's 4.01. Housing steady, nothing crazy. And the big one, 11:35 a.m., Powell's speech. Anytime Powell talks, Wall Street gets shaky. That's guaranteed volatility. So I lined it up. QQQ's chart was weak. Pre-market it tapped 602.97, couldn't hold. On open, it slipped. I pulled up my tools, MACD and RSI both showing bulls getting tired. Momentum ready to flip bearish. That's my green light. I loaded up puts. And here's the scene. As I'm in the trade, I've got Yahoo News on in the background, just checking what's going on. My daughter wakes up, so I've got her in my arms while I'm trading off my phone. That's what I call perfect chaos, but controlled chaos, and it doesn't stop me. This is trading real life, not fantasy. Here's the thing, bulls still running the war, but they were losing the battle today. This wasn't a full trend collapse, more like QQQ catching its breath after a heavy sprint. So the play was momentum. I got in at 50 cents to 0.55 average, targeting 96 cents exit. Same day options, they're not for the weak. Time decay eats you alive, so entry has to be surgical. No panic, no emotions, just patience. And that's what I did. Contracts ran plus 62%, peaked around plus 85%. If you're talking real numbers, $5,000 in that trade flips into $2,500 profit in a couple hours. That's why I trade, because I can make that in the morning, then the rest of the day. Chill, kick it with my kids, play ball, hit the gym, run my other businesses. Freedom. So yeah, today's trade, bag secured. Power later might stir the pot, but my day's already done. Zero emotion trader. I'll see you tomorrow for the next one.
Thanks for watching another episode of the Zero Motion Trader. If you found value in this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and follow the channel. For powerful insights, trading tips, and our books, check the link in the description below. This channel will always be free and always here to help you trade with discipline,